directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties, and you must stay at least 500 feet away from the victim, alleged victim, her home and school at all times. Do you understand the stay away order, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I've reviewed the arrest affidavit. There is probable cause for the charges, and since it's a first degree, it's actually a life felony since you'll read the facts and I'll tell you.
Yes, Judge. Is it
I'm
not,
going-
is it non-bondable by law?
It's a non-bondable, so I'm going to grant the state's motion for pretrial detention pending final hearing and hold you with no bond. You're going to see a judge tomorrow. It's Judge Milton Hirsch, and that judge will set a final hearing on the state's motion for pretrial detention. You have a good lawyer, listen to what he tells you, and the judge tomorrow can readdress your custody status as well.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Vieira. It's no bond, and it's reset tomorrow in division.
Good. George?
I will speak to you, Dayton. I will speak to you. Don't speak.
Don't talk about the facts. Anything you say can be used against you here, sir. So it's important you don't talk about
Oh, yeah,
anything in
was-
public. Speak privately with your lawyer.
I was just gonna tell him that I need to speak to him. That's all I was gonna say.
That's fine.
Come and see you. Thank you, sir. It's
Thank you,
no
Judge.
bond, and it's reset tomorrow in division. Next case is Rafael Rodriguez for private attorney. Thank you.
Page 7, number 24, Rafael Rodriguez. Speak English or Spanish? He's present, speaks English.
Thank you. Good morning. Sir, you were arrested for burglary to an unoccupied structure, unlawful possession of a stolen credit or debit card, attempted fraudulent use of a credit card, theft of credit card. Your attorney is here. Good morning. Could you please announce for the record, counsel?
Good morning, Gloria Canseco on behalf of Mr. Rodriguez.
Good morning.
Judge, I don't see any criminal history. The defendant may qualify for a program or a monetary bonds fine as well. I don't know what counsel's looking for.
Thank you, State. I wanted to know the standard bond for the highest. I understand that the two lower ones are 500 each and then 2,500 for the unlawful possession. I see that there's a to be set next to the burglary unoccupied.
It's a 2,500 if it's a structure. I need to review this.
I didn't have access to that arrest form, so I also would like to ask the court to look for probable cause.
So I think he went into the manager's office of a business that he used to work at and took some money and a company credit card.
Understood.
And then he's seen trying to withdraw or attempt to withdraw $200 from an ATM machine. He's seen on CCTV withdrawing a blue card and attempting to withdraw the money. All right, so sir, you are ordered to stay away from the Axis business at 79 Southwest 12th Street in Miami, Florida. You are not allowed to go to that store or business, and you must stay away from there. Do you understand, sir? All right. Did you want pretrial or you want a bond?
Judge, I wanted to ask for pretrial.
Huh?
I wanted
Pretrial?
to ask for pretrial, yes, if possible.
Pretrial services, alternate bond, count 1, burglary to the unoccupied structure is $2,500. Count 2, unlawful possession of a stolen credit or debit card is $2,500. Count 3, attempted fraudulent use of the credit card is $500. And count 4, theft of the credit card is $500. All right, sir, you have a good attorney. Listen to what she tells you and stay out of trouble. Have a nice day.
Judge, so you set the bond? This was the
Yeah,
bond?
pretrial alternate bond, it's 2,500 count 1, 2,500 count 2, 500 count 3, and 500 count 4.
Thank you.
So a total of
Thank
6,000.
you so much. Yeah, 6. Thank you. Have a good day, everyone.
Thank you, you too. Next is Jose Hernandez Sanchez on page 11. Private attorney, can they raise their hand? Please,
Yes,
thank
it's
you.
Mr. Hassan.
Oh, okay.
Good morning. Sir, do you speak English?
Spanish is preferred.
Thank you.
Thank
You
you.
put your
Bueno,
hand down. I was speaking to your lawyer.
Buenos días, señor Sánchez Hernández.
Good
Sánchez.
morning, sir. You were arrested in a case from May 31st of 2024, and the charge is vehicular homicide in a reckless manner.
Sí, señor, usted fue arrestado el 31 de mayo del 24 por homicidio vehicular y manejando imprudentemente.
Your attorney is here. Mr. Hassan, can you please announce for the record?
Su abogado está presente, que se llama el licenciado Hassan, Por favor, diga su nombre para el acta, licenciado.
Good morning, Judge Naive Hassan, on behalf of Jose Hernandez, Judge.
Buenos
Good
días.
morning.
Najib Hapsan, de parte del señor José Hernández Sánchez.
So let me review the arrest affidavit for probable cause.
Judge, and
Voy a
counsel
revisar
did
el
correct
affidavit
me
de arresto para ver si hay motivo fundado.
earlier, and I
I
asked.
didn't hear you.
But
Repeat it.
counsel sent me an email earlier. I reached out to Laura Adams. State's recommendation is 25,000 with house arrest, roaming, and a no drive order.
Sí, el abogado me mandó un correo electrónico hace poco y está recomendando la fiscal $25,000 y detención domiciliaria y una orden en el que no puede conducir.
All right, there's probable cause for the charge. He was driving nearly double the speed limit, crashed into somebody's vehicle, and the victim passed away
Sí,
from the
hay,
injuries.
hay motivo fundado porque él estaba conduciendo al doble de la velocidad que es limitada en esa zona y chocó con una señora y la señora falleció.
Mr. Hassan, anything you care to say regarding the state's request for the bond and plus house arrest?
Sí, ¿hay algo que usted quiere decir, licenciado, referente a la fianza y también el arresto domiciliario?
Judge, one thing in regards to the house arrest, my one concern with that is that he may not be released until tomorrow. This is an individual that self-surrendered today with the notion that he's gonna be released today, Judge. He has a young son that lives at home. So if the court would agree to release him, Judge, and I'll ensure that he be placed on the monitor immediately, Judge. He just has a young son that he's taking care of, and there's no other caretakers for them.
Sí, entonces lo único que tengo es que él, en cuanto a al arresto domiciliario, ella se entregó y él mismo se entregó y él también vive, tiene un hijo y vive con el hijo y yo sé que lo van a soltar, pero en cuanto él salga le vamos a poner el monitor.
I'm giving him a $25,000 bond plus house arrest with a level 3 house arrest, and I'll ask house arrest to please expedite putting the monitor on him since he has to care for his child.
Claro, entonces le voy a poner una fianza de $25,000 de detención domiciliaria a nivel 3 y que
Can
le
you
pongan
please
el
try and
monitor.
expedite this? What do you need to expedite? Is
Tiene que hacerlo rápido para que pueda
the
llevar
bond has to get posted?
la
The
fianza tiene que-
process, go to, what room does he have to call, or who does he have to call to expedite it? 305? 548. 5642. That's house arrest. Give him a call and tell him Judge Glazer said to expedite it once the bond is posted, and they need the contact information. Maybe you can start with that. Okay?
Will do, Judge.
Thank you,
Está
sir.
bien.
You have a good attorney. Listen to what he tells you.
There's
Good
a no
day.
drive
Tiene
order.
abogado bueno, así que escuche lo que diga.
You know, this happened over a year ago.
But he
I'm
killed
not-
someone.
He killed somebody and he's presumed not guilty based on the charge. If
I don't
D-
even know if he's got a valid license at this point after the incident.
Sí, yo
I
no sé si
don't
tiene
know.
lic-
I don't know how long he's lived here. I don't know any information, but that's something maybe addressed in the division, okay?
Not issuing the
Thank
no
you,
drive
Judge.
orders over state's objection.
translated.
I appreciate it, Judge. Thank you so much. Have a
25,000.
good day, Your Honor.
Manténgase en
Good day.
comunicación con su abogado, él le explica lo que no se pudo traducir. ¿Está bien? Buen día.
Okay. Is the correction cases at a turn? If there are any other private
Your Honor,
lawyers,
I'm sorry, did we pass Ms. Rodriguez citing number 5, SYNEY?
With the other things.
is that for corrections at a turn?
Not for us, no?
But I don't call the family first.
Oh, okay.
Who's doing this to me? I said I call the lawyers corrections and then I do my others.
No problem.
Joshua Rivera,
Corrections, what defendant do your out of turn start with?
they said Joshua Rivera. Is that the right one? Page 18?
Yes, Mr. Joshua Rivera, these are added charges and he refused court.
Okay.
Presence, Judge.
Appoint the public defender's office, waive presence. There's probable cause for petty theft. I don't see 2 or more convictions.
And I don't see any value.
M2's fine.
Probable cause for petty theft, a second-degree misdemeanor, bond is $150. Appoint the public defender's office, waive presence. Next is Joel McLean.
These are added charges, Your Honor. He's present.
Thank you. Good morning, sir. You were arrested for an added charge, battery by a detainee on another detainee. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. There's probable cause for the charge. Bond is $2,500. Have a nice day, sir.
Victim is Harold Medina.
Thank you.
No problem.
Next we have is Raimundo Gonzalez.
Spanish or English?
Added
Next is,
charges, he's
thank you. Good morning, sir. You were arrested for petty theft, 2 or more convictions. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. There's probable cause for the charge. You are ordered to stay away from the Walmart store at 21151 South Dixie Highway in Miami, Florida. You are not allowed to go to that store and you must stay away from there, sir. Do you understand the stay away order? Bond is, I'm setting the bond at $2,500. Have a nice day. Next is Ahmad Burns. Is he here today?
no, Your Honor. He refused court. These are added charges.
The third refusal if the court would just add a bond.
Point, wait for Ms. Corey.
What happened, Mr. Burns? He refused
Refused.
again.
or waive his presence?
Appoint the public defender's office, waive presence. There's probable cause for the charge. Bond is $2,500.
2 cases, Judge.
Cases?
Oh, that's on F-25-15483. Give me 1 second. The other case, F-25-15510, there's probable cause for petty theft, 2 or more convictions. Appointing the public defender's office, waiving his presence, bond is $2,500. Next is Witty Soto Acosta.
Spanish, please.
Added
Good morning,
charges.
sir. Sir, you were arrested for battery by a detainee on another detainee. I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
Ya le han puesto cargo de agresión contra un reo. Le voy a nombrar un abogado.
Take care of it. All right.
Judge, I would ask that you find no probable cause according to Mr. Soto Acosta's statement to the officer. The alleged victim punched him first and he defended himself.
But the victim gave a different version of the events.
Víctima dio otra versión, pero su abogada quiere que no se considere motivo fundado.
She
Esto-
interpreting for him?
Yes.
Oh,
Can
I'm
you hear me,
sorry. You're
Judge?
so low. That's why I muted you. I thought you were talking to somebody else. I'm sorry.
Oh, no,
Jackie.
no, yeah. Can you hear me, Judge?
Yeah, I didn't see you. I didn't know you were talking to him. It's just low. You
Yeah,
gotta
let
talk
me
to
re-
the speaker.
Let me repeat. Sí, esto le han puesto abogado de oficio. La abogada dice que considere que no haya motivo fundado, ya que él se estaba tratando de defender de acuerdo a lo que escribió en el policía en la declaración. Luego la fiscal dice de que la versión de la víctima es diferente
The victim also had injuries, though, Judge.
y la víctima también tiene lesiones.
Yeah, but it looks like he went over and started.
According to
Correct.
the defendant,
And the
but the
alleged victim
victim's got
said that
injuries and has a different version of the events.
the alleged victim said Mr. Soto Acosta had a weapon. They did a full shakedown of the unit. Nothing was found, so it does not substantiate the alleged victim's version.
Sí, es que no cumple con la versión de la víctima porque dice que la víctima que tenía un arma, le hicieron un registro, no encontraron ningún tipo de arma, de acuerdo a los carceleros.
There's probable cause for battery by detainee on another detainee. I'll set the
Hay,
bond at $1,000.
ok, hay motivo fundado por agresión a un detenido. Voy a fijar la fianza en $1,000.
Have a good day.
Ya puede tomar asiento. Buen día.
Next is Arista McLeod.
Your
Page
Honor,
20.
he refused. These are added charges.
Okay. Probable cause. You want me to reset it or you want to waive presence?
We can waive his presence, Judge.
Appoint the public,
Miss Glory.
$1,000.
That's fine.
Appoint the public defender's office, waive presence.
Do you need the name?
Oh, yes.
Okay, it is Wander Linder Reyes Santos.
All right,
Wander
let's talk
Linder.
about that.
Yep.
Judge Mindy Glazer ran a tight ship in this bond court session, and I've got to say, she does it all with a calm, no-nonsense demeanor that somehow still leaves room for human understanding. There's a steady rhythm to her hearings, even when the docket throws in curveballs like emotional defendants, complex charges, and language barriers. One of the more notable moments came with Jose Hernandez Sanchez, who self-surrendered on a serious charge stemming from an incident over a year ago. His attorney, Mr. Hassan, advocated respectfully but firmly, trying to secure his release that day for the sake of Sanchez's young child at home. Judge Glazer, while sympathetic to the circumstances, stuck to the law-granting bond but holding firm on house arrest. She even went so far as to give out a phone number and told them to. Kellum, Judge Glazer said, expedite it. That's a judge who knows how to move a courtroom without losing the human side of things. Then we had Rafael Rodriguez, whose attorney Gloria Canseco made a measured case for pretrial release. The judge took her time to verify probable cause and still managed to throw in a light remark. You have a good attorney. Listen to what she tells you and stay out of trouble. That kind of direct, no-frills encouragement goes a long way. We also got a taste of the logistical juggling. That comes with bilingual hearings. The courtroom operated almost like a two-lane highway with simultaneous translation for defendants who preferred Spanish. It's worth noting the respect shown on both sides. No raised voices, no unnecessary drama, and even when things got a little tense, everyone stayed in their lane. There were a few detainees who refused court appearances altogether. Judge Glazer didn't miss a beat appointed counsel, found probable cause, set bond, and moved on. At one point, the judge handled a bond hearing where both the defense and prosecution offered differing stories on a detainee fight, one side claiming self-defense, the other alleging an unprovoked attack. The judge weighed the facts on hand and ruled on probable cause with a bond amount that showed she wasn't taking sides, just following the evidence. All told, this courtroom was remarkably efficient, with just enough moments of levity, like when Judge Glazer muted an attorney by accident and chuckled about it, to remind us that these are real people navigating real issues. No grandstanding, no theatrics, just the law applied fairly, swiftly, and with the occasional friendly nudge. If you found this hearing insightful, consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and letting me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read every one,